Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do another Starburst, and I saw Fiona do a black and white one, and I thought let's just try it. So I've got my black and I've got my white. I'm hoping it's thin enough. I have the same issue as like most of us. I think it's thin enough, and then I start pouring and I'm like, maybe it's not thin enough. So I did add a little bit of pearl white to my titanium white, just to see if we can get a little bit of cells. And this canvas is a 25 by 25 square. Deep sides, just a cheap one. And I already had these paints mixed. I used them for my background on a different painting. And I know it looks like a lot of paint, and it probably is, but I'd rather have too much than too little that I normally have. And I'm gonna cover the sides, but I'm not going to put a lot on there. Let's get a couple bubbles out before we blow. If I didn't torch now, all that would have been in my painting. Let's try and blow this out. So I didn't get a perfect circle. I don't mind. I want to see if I can blow a little bit more. I might actually add some white here. Okay, I like that more, so I think I'm gonna do that all around. Oh, I like that way better. So I'm gonna have a lot of work on my sides repainting those. There's still a lot of paint on here. Thank you for watching, and I'll show you the dry results. Bye guys!